It's us from TNG Gaming Bros. We are making another video of Wii Sports Resort, and it's going to be epic. We're going to try to play as much as we can until my friend Gaby and leaves. So, let's get the party started.
So,
Basketball
get out of the way.
Basketball first.
I'm going to do canoeing.
Okay. We'll do it together.
Versus.
No. Wait, no versus. Okay.
Versus.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Get out of the way. Sit there.
We barely have any legs. Let me go to.
Okay. 2 players. Keep your remote still. Put it on a flat surface. I'm done. There. Change me.
Beginner.
Oh, got it. You can sit down, you know. Let's start. What's in the world?
This is so hard.
How?
What?
What? You gotta go straight, dude.
How?
You die doing this.
No. I'm losing it. This is hard because I didn't know how to do it. Wait up.
It's versus, dude. Sorry.
This is impossible.
Come on.
I'm not losing. Oh, no. No.
Ha, no.
No. Don't do this to me.
Stop using one leg, dude. Oh. No. And Sean won.
Well, I didn't know if I could do it.
I didn't realize there was a black Wii Motion Plus.
So guys, what do you want us to do now? How about let's do some swordplay?
Swordplay.
Hit it.
Can we do cycling after that?
Sure.
So, click on the comment below when we're done with this video. Click on the comment below. Type in the comment below what you want us to do next.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for some
I'm a
cycling.
crazy one.
I mean, so Swordplay.
And after
Red.
cycling, you want to do basketball?
Sure.
I'm epic at this, by the way, but I can lose sometimes. Eat this. Sorry.
We didn't do the cheat just now.
Oh, next time let's do the cheat. My ultimate attack.
Stop bragging. It's making
You can brag when you win. Wait, I'll let you win, and then we're gonna.
doesn't
go to
matter. It's
level
just a
3.
game. Don't let me.
Wait,
win.
beat me. Then we'll go on to level 3. I'll just do this.
We can just make it a tie.
Come on, Sean. No, we can't do a time with this.
Yes, you can.
Really? How?
If you stay there a long time.
Yeah.
Just point at the sensor, dude. Let me show you.
It was just lagging.